Okay, so here are the things we need. Flour, food coloring, salt, vegetable oil, and a cup of water. Now we'll start with 1 cup of flour.
I can make some Play-doh. Soft Playdough. I shine.
There you go.
Done.
Done. Next is salt. We have to add 1/4 cup of salt.
It's all white.
It's all white.
Here, it's enough.
Okay. Mix it up.
Not yet. I'm not done yet. Oh, sheep. Wow, it's so many.
And then we'll have to mix them all together. Slowly.
Oh, sheep.
It's okay.
Oh, yeah, we do it over there. Table.
Okay. Already mix it up good. Now, oil. We have to add a tablespoon of oil into the cup of water.
And I hear the village. And I hear you can do it. You can do
Mix
it.
it up. And then mix it all together. Okay, 2 things are already mixed up together. We can slowly add water and this oil into the dry mixture. Okay, you can hold this and mix, and Mommy will put slowly the water, okay?
Alright. It's yellow. It's yellow, Mommy. It's like auntie.
Okay, mix it up. You can slowly adjust the water by slowly adding water into the mixture. Okay, mix it up again.
You like a shine to me. Then I put more water.
No. I will tell you if it needs more water.
Alright.
I'm gonna tell you. Wow! It's getting there. Okay, can you add little water? Just little.
Alright. Here come. Here go.
You barely put any. Okay. So, there you go. Thank you. Yes, it's getting
I see it.
there. It looks like a dough.
Not do-re-mi. Do-re-mi. Do-re-mi.
Okay.
Do-re-mi. It's do-re-mi.
Now the consistency, we'll have to check if it's not too wet and not too dry. Now it's getting close. Now we'll take this out. Since you want 2 colors, we can divide the mixture and add
Pink first.
what, pink first?
Yeah. Not blue. Pink first.
There you go.
Pink first.
Take out the mixture. You can put sprinkles of flour so it won't stick.
Yeah.
And then Alexandria will need the other one, and Mommy will need the other one. Okay, just like when we play Play-doh. Push, roll, squeeze. Whoa!
Wow.
It's sprinkle. Wow! If you feel like it's sticking on the table or on the bottom, you can sprinkle a little flour so it won't stick. There you go. Mine is getting there.
Also, me too.
Since Alexandria wants 2 different colors, so we divide the mixture into 2. You can double the mixture if you want to make more. You can double the ingredients. And Alexandria wants only pink and blue, so we divide it with...
That one.
Okay.
But we are need tips.
Okay. You want pink, right?
Yeah.
Okay, scoop some pink.
Peach.
And then wipe it up.
Oh, look. That's red. It's red.
Yeah. It will be mixed. Then you have to fold it and mix it slowly.
Yeah, no, it's done.
Okay.
Fold
Fold it. Then mix it slowly, just like. There you go.
You later, babe. No. It's red.
See, it's coming now.
Wow.
The pink is getting there.
That's my pizza. My pizza, not a bed.
You think it needs more color?
Yeah.
Okay.
Here.
And then you fold it again, okay? It's getting there, okay.
Yeah.
Mix it up. Wow, you did good. That's really pink. Now we'll try the blue.
Mama, put it there. Put it home. Now if you have that blue, I have that blue. Mine is pink.
If you're concerned of having color in your hands, you can wear gloves.
Mom,
Yours looks so nice. I like it.
you like a shine. Look. You like a shine, Mom.
So much fun to make with your kids at home. All the ingredients can be found in your kitchen.
Yeah. Teach like it.
Kids will like it
Yeah.
for sure. Especially like you.
Yeah.
Kids like you who likes Play-doh.
Also like shine.
Yeah. Also who likes slime.
Yeah. Also bone. Like I need a bone.
A bone?
Yeah.
That looks like a bone. A big bone. It does look like a bone.
A bone.
What else do you want to make with your Play-doh?
A worm.
A worm? That looks like a worm. I like pink worms.
Mommy.
They don't look scared.
Big worm.
That looks like a worm.
Yeah, serious.
A cute worm because it's pink. Oh wow!
Wow! A cherry worm. A cherry worm.
Okay, roll it good. Show it to Daddy. Wow! Rainbow. Okay, now I can make a flower.
You like your pancake.
gonna make shape like this and cut it off. And now we have a flower. You see my flower? Do you see my flower?
Yeah.
So cute.
Mommy, look, I got meat also.
Okay.
A happy star.
A happy star. There you go. And then move the sides. Wow! That's so cute. A big star. So we can roll this too. There's a unicorn. I want to make a unicorn.
Mommy, I got make a heart.
Okay, look. I'll make a unicorn. Maybe a blue unicorn. Wow! Does it look like a pony? That little pony you like?
Yeah, I have a papaya, have a papa tail.
Wow, very pretty. So that's how you make Play-doh at home. Easy to make with your kids. And you will have so much fun.
Here, duck, there a bone. Say Allah, say bye. Eat Play-dohs. Bye.